Alephium is up 23% in the last 24 hours, as you can see right here. And if you zoom out for the last 7 days, you can see we are up about 50%, which is very decent. I made a video a week ago to explain to you the potential of this project and where it could go. But today we're going to discuss also the price prediction and where do we see it going. Now, the thing that is interesting is to look at the number of hodlers as we speak right now. The number of hodlers is increasing. As you can see, currently 6,810 holders, and it's growing daily. So we are growing approximately by 50 to 100 per day, which is good. And we're seeing more and more transactions coming to the Alephium coin. Of course, for those of you who would like to get it, you can get it on these exchanges. You can get Gate.io, Uniswap, MAX, Bitmart, so on and so forth. Okay. I think we're still early in this coin because the project has a lot of things going on, and then we can see greater highs. But the thing that reminds me of, if you zoom out for all, you can see that we were trading at 6 cents, 5 cents here, you can see in 2022, but nobody paid attention to it. So if you had bought in here at this, you would have made about 30, 40x, okay, which is very, very good. But we still have a lot of potential, and this project reminds me of one. So I wanted to share this with you as well. So you see, if you go to the February, let's go to February 20. For example, you can see that this is the time. It's a similar period where it was trending, you see. It has some similarities in terms of... So the February 28, 2019, Quant was trading at $4, close to $4, which we could see that happening by the end of this month with Alephium, and you could see it going even higher, and then all of a sudden it peaked. So I think the possibilities of seeing Quant at a couple of $100 is there. It's not impossible. There are possibilities, but it just matter of time. Please remember that the halving, as you can see here, is 61 days. So we still have 61 days to the halving, and after the halving, then you could see the fireworks. 4 months, 6 months after the halving, we could see Quant going. We could see Alephium going quite high. Also, if you look at the trading view here, you can see that it has a very healthy graph. You see, it was here dead, going up, healthy, very healthy. You had a little dip here where people had the opportunity to load a little bit more, but they did not. Okay, let's refresh again. And of course, if you are looking at the price, so let's say you had bought in at 0.05 back in 2020. So if you had putting $1,000, ladies and gents, in 2022, when the bear market was there, and at this point, that $1,000, ladies and gents, would be $70,000. So that's a 70x, okay? Already. Now, this is normal because Kaspa did even more than that. So we could see it, in my opinion, going higher. So let's just put the existing price. Let's say you buy in today, and this reaches $10. So if you're putting $1,000 today, okay, and then you reach $10, your investment would be at $3,000, which is pretty good. And if it goes to $50, which is very possible, $14,000. And if you go to $100, if you're putting $1,000 today as we speak, because the price could go to $100, you would be at $28,000, ladies and gentlemen, which is a very decent investment. Of course, people who didn't buy before missed the opportunity to get a 70x, but 70x plus another 28x, that's quite a lot of x's, okay? We have seen Kaspa doing that, and please bear in mind that Alephium is not even listed on big exchanges, so the possibilities for it to grow is still massive, okay? Some people will talk about the circulating supply, but I reassure you that the circulating supply is spread out in 80 years. So it's not going to come out all of a sudden. It will take 80 years for all the supply to come out. And that is quite a lot. Of course, early investors are making more profit than new investors, which is normal. And but if you look at Kaspa, for example, Kaspa is now at a market cap of nearly 4 billion, and Alephium is 200 plus million only, not even 1 billion. So the possibilities for it to grow and prosper is very high, and we could see it going to the top 20, top 30 easily in the next bull cycle because of its utility. Ladies and gents, my price prediction for Alephium in the next bull market would be $100+ at a bearish prediction. A bull prediction would see it at $250. Ladies and gentlemen, $1,000 would turn into $70,000. Again, not a financial advice. Please do your own research and analyze it by yourself so you can have a better understanding of where the price could go. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and put in the comments how many Alephium coins are you holding, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.